Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So today we are going to start our GK subject, and in GK subject on page number 44 our new lesson today is lesson number 29, and name of lesson 29 is body systems. So in this chapter we are going to learn name of a body system, that is which part plays a part for our body that runs very perfect. So here pictures are given and answers are given in the blue box. So let's start our chapter. The human body is composed of several organs that do various functions. These organs work together to ensure the smooth functioning of our body. So look at the diagram and the clues given after them. Identify the various body systems and write their name. So here is the picture regarding the food pipe, okay, stomach and all the process. Question is, it digests food for the absorption of essential nutrients. It digests food that we can get essential nutrients to run our body. So name of that function we can say is digestive system. Second one, picture is clear. Lungs are given, okay, breathing system. So it draws oxygen into the body and send out carbon dioxide, okay. Inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, that is gives out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. So it is respiratory system. And next, third picture, you can see red color it is shown, okay, runs in our body. It helps to carry messages to and from the brain. So these lines you are seeing red color, that it passes message to our brain, okay. So related brain, answer is nervous system. Number 4, you can see picture full on red, that is your body is with the mostly it is shown that blood part, okay. So it help in controlling body movement, okay. So here you can see blood is there and you can move your joints, you can move from one place to another place, okay. So movement of the body is also necessary, so without that also your body cannot move. So that system is muscular system, muscles, okay, from muscles, muscular system, movement, muscular system also you can remember. And next one, see, you can see blood is going, that is pure blood and impure blood, that is artery and vein, blue and red lines you can see, okay, all over the body. It circulates blood through arteries and veins, okay. So it is circulates from the word circulates, circulatory system. And now on next page, page 45, we can see how the function is goes on. 2 kidney, okay, pure and impure blood, and we can say unwanted things or the part that is not needed or waste water, okay, comes out. So it removes from our body, it removes waste from the body, that is excretory system. That word X means out, it makes out from our body, okay, remove waste from the body, excretory system. Now here you can see picture, skin part, hair is given, how skin remains very perfect, you can say one type of glow also you can say, and no hair problem, or that hair is also good for our health, okay. So that all things, so here it is given. It consists of skin, nails and hair covering the body. So that is integumentary system, and here in brackets skin is also given, okay. Now next, your body is given but no muscles, blood, nothing is there, okay. One type of frame of our body you can say, okay. So bones are only you can see, joints and bones, okay. So here it serves as a framework of the body, that is skeletal system. So through this lesson we came to know which function, that which organ does work for our body, that our body remains perfect, that we can move, we can live our life given by the God. So from this one science chapter also it is clear in our mind, given in your GK. Okay, so here are your answers given in the clue box. Okay students, complete this exercise in textbook and also write one time in your GK notebook. Thank you students, have a nice day.